In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform a basic headshot into a glamorous winter wonderland portrait using AI. No fancy camera, no photo studio. We're going full luxury vibes, velvet gown, sparkling lights, and a magical snowman friend. Let's get started. To get realistic results, the starting headshot matters more than the prompt. Here's what works best. Face visible and unobstructed, clean lighting, no harsh shadows, neutral background, no filters or face smoothing, no sunglasses or hats. AI needs to understand your facial structure clearly. Think of it as giving the system digital clay to sculpt from. Once you have your headshot ready, head to Google Gemini and upload it. Then enter this prompt. Without changing my face, create a photo of me in a glamorous winter wonderland scene featuring me in a long, elegant green velvet gown with a white fur stole. She stands gracefully beside a decorated snowman, adorned with a glittery scarf, colorful ornaments, glowing string lights, and a sparkling top hat. Snow-covered pine trees with golden fairy lights illuminate the background, while soft snowflakes fall gently, creating a magical, festive holiday atmosphere. The woman's luxurious hairstyle, statement earrings, and poised elegance add sophistication to the enchanting winter setting. Make it look as realistic as possible in 4K. This prompt is powerful because it explains clothing and material, long, elegant green velvet gown, props, decorated snowman, environment, pine trees, lights, falling snow, atmosphere, serene, magical, holiday elegance. Click Enter. As we wait for the results, I want to let you know that I have compiled a complete collection of 35 copy and paste Nano banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description. Inside this free guide, you get 10 holiday ambiance prompts, 10 color correction prompts, 10 decor and weather prompts, and 5 family portrait fixes. All of these prompts you can use immediately in Nano Banana. And there you have it. A serene winter wonderland portrait with sophistication, texture, and holiday magic. See how easy it is to create images that is perfect for social media, holiday cards, gifts, profile pictures, or prints. When the image comes back, don't rush. Look at it like an art director and ask these questions. Does the gown look velvet or satin? Is the fur stole realistic or flat? Are the pine trees glowing or dull? Does the snow fall naturally? Are your facial features still yours? Make refinements to the image by entering prompts like, increase the texture of the velvet gown. Make the snowflakes larger and softer. Make the golden fairy lights more vibrant. Make the snowman's scarf more glittery. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves holiday creativity. And don't forget to download my 35 copy and paste Nano Banana commands designed specifically for your holiday photos. Click the link in the description. Stay cozy. See you in the next video.